To put M2N relationship between author and books into a database, let's create a new database. No. And this time we'll enter the database name as book author. We could actually change our previous book table to add the author table in, but I wanted to make it clearer by create a new database. Yes. No. Okay, again we'll go to the design view. First we'll create the book table. Book have a barcode, which is going to be our key. Also have title, and in this case I'm not going to spend a lot of time on setting the field size and etc. because we already know how to do that. And we want also publication date would be a date time. And well, let's do it differently this time. Let's make it a number. This number going to be an integer because it's only going to be 4, and we want to have a validation rule. This number must be greater than 1000 and less than 2015 to make it a reasonable year number. So the validation text should be please enter a year between 1000 and 2015. Okay, so we have the publication date and lastly on loan. Yes or no? Note this time we don't include author in the book table because author will have its own separate table. So we Control S saved this table, and then I will create a new table called author. Again, we'll use the design view to create author table, and we have author ID. We have last name going to be text, and also first name, which also going to be text. Control S. We saved both tables. And I want to draw your attention there. The author ID is auto number. It's a long integer. So was the barcode. So now let's close this. Now we will need to create the third table, the link table. Again, we will use the design view. This book will have the name has author. The has author book table should have barcode as part of its primary key. I have author ID part of its primary key. It should also be, this time it will not be auto number, it should be a long integer because its value should depend on the book's barcode value. It cannot be automatically generated. So we'll make it number and a long integer. And we will make this number and a long integer. Good. And also we have the order. Could be a short text. Supposedly if we don't have 2 or 3 would be long enough. It's going to be first or second authors normally. Okay, now we have 3 tables, and next we will create relationships among those 3 tables.